Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing problems with Twitch streaming, you're not alone. Many streamers face issues that can hinder their performance and viewer experience. In this complete guide, we'll walk you through common problems and provide step-by-step solutions to get you back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into technical fixes, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can cause lag, buffering, or disconnections. 1. Run a speed test. Use websites like speedtest.net to check your upload and download speeds. A minimum upload speed of 3 Mbps is recommended for regular streams. 2. Wired versus wireless. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection for better stability. 3. Restart your router. Power cycling. Your router can resolve connectivity issues. Step 2. Optimize OBS settings. If you're using OBS, Open Broadcaster software, to stream, tweaking your settings can enhance performance. 1. Resolution settings. Set your output resolution to 720p or 1080p based on your internet speed. Go to Settings, Video, and adjust the output resolution. 2. Bitrate configuration. Find the right balance for your bitrate. Head to Settings, Output, and set your video bitrate. Start with 3000-6000 kbps for 720p. 3. Encoding settings. Use hardware encoding if available. Choose hardware NVENC in the encoder selection for better performance. Step 3. Resolve streaming lag. Lag can be frustrating for both streamers and viewers. Here's how to minimize it. 1. Lower FPS setting. Reducing frames per second can help. In Settings, Video, set the FPS to 30 instead of 60. 2. Close background applications. Shut down applications that consume bandwidth or CPU. 3. Adjust game settings. Lower the graphical settings in your game to free up resources. Step 4. Fix audio issues. Audio problems can ruin the streaming experience. Here's how to troubleshoot them. 1. Audio input device. Ensure your microphone is selected correctly. Go to Settings, Audio, and choose the correct input device. 2. Monitor audio levels. Keep an eye on audio levels in OBS. Adjust sliders so audio isn't too low or peaking. 3. Check audio filters. If you're using filters, disable them to see if they cause issues. Step 5. Resolve chat and moderation problems. Managing your chat can be challenging. Improve your chat experience with these tips. 1. Mod tools. Make sure you assign a few moderators to help manage chat activity. 2. Enable slow mode. Use slow mode to slow down chat messages for better control. In your chat settings, enable slow mode for 15 to 60 seconds. 3. Use bots. Consider utilizing bots for managing spam and automating tasks. Step 6. Address stream key and connectivity issues. Issues with your stream key can lead to connectivity problems. 1. Refresh your stream key. In your Twitch dashboard, navigate to Settings and regenerate your stream key. 2. Copy and paste carefully. Ensure you copy the stream key correctly into OBS. 3. Check Twitch's status. Sometimes the issue might not be on your end. Check Twitch's official Twitter or status page for outages. Step 7. Monitor your hardware performance. Sometimes the problem lies within your hardware. 1. Check CPU usage. Open Task Manager, Ctrl+ Shift + ES key to see if your CPU usage is too high while streaming. 2. Close unnecessary programs. Ensure other programs aren't using significant resources. 3. Upgrade your equipment. If you frequently face performance issues, consider upgrading your hardware like RAM or CPU. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can tackle common Twitch streaming problems effectively. Always remember to keep your software up to date and monitor your streaming settings regularly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for streaming. Happy streaming!